Hello, everyone. I'm Normand Schafer, and welcome to today's podcast. Today, we're heading to Munda in the beautiful western province of the Solomon Islands with Mariani, and she is in a destination that's known for spectacular reefs, rich history, and vibrant local culture. So, we're going to learn a little bit about this destination that is a home base for travelers diving into all this region that it has to offer. We're going to talk about so many different topics, but to get started, can you just tell us about the Agnes Gateway Hotel? Before we dive into today's episode, I want to tell you, if you've ever dreamed of experiencing one of the incredible destinations that we talk about on the show, be sure to visit farandawayadventures.com. For over 30 years, I've helped travelers discover some of the most extraordinary destinations on Earth. If this is of interest, check out the link in the description to farandawayadventures.com, and we'd be happy to make your next trip unforgettable.
Agnes Gateway Hotel is an heritage of itself. The place where Agnes Gateway Resort is right now, it used to be owned by the British colonies way back during the World War. It was built by the English, the British. So when during the administration time, when they returned, it became a lodge, and the lady Agnes, who is the resort named Dafka, decided she was the first Solomon Island woman to take up that lodge and turn it into a inn, and then to a lodge, and now to a resort.
Okay, and that's on the island of Munda.
That's on the island of Munda.
And I guess what makes Munda such a unique and special part of the Solomon Islands for travelers?
Firstly, because of its scenic, because the place itself. Secondly, because of its connection to the World War, during the World War, because there's a lot of war relics there. Not only war relics for dives, and also the attractions that Munda has to offer. It also offers its neighboring island is the Marova Lagoon, which is the biggest lagoon in the world. So Munda has got a widespread of different small islands, which has its own different attractions.
Okay, and talking about attractions, I guess, what are some of the most popular activities and tours that people do from the Agnes Gateway, such as maybe
Snorkeling.
Okay.
Snorkeling, fishing.
Mm-hmm.
Snorkeling, fishing, diving, canoe, kayaking. All these non-motorized water sports, we have it.
Mm-hmm.
And swimming, plus game fishing is one of them.
Mm-hmm.
And we have that once in a year, and that's done by Tetepare Eco Lodge. Then we have the conservation center based in Munda, where turtles are born and then they are released into the ocean.
Oh, okay.
Mhm.
Wow. So you've got the turtle conservation there as well. And now World War II history tours are quite popular there as well.
Yes.
And what about Skull Island? What is Skull Island?
Skull Island is where, before in the olden days in Munda, they always go for head hunting. So whenever they go for head hunting, they come back, they bring skulls of their prizes. So those are all brought back to that island, Skull Island.
Mm-hmm.
And that is where all those skulls have been laid.
Okay, that's where the name comes from.
Yes.
Okay. Now, as far as culture and historical connections go, what cultural sites or local traditions can the travelers explore while they're staying in Munda?
There are so many different types of, the community, there's a widespread of community that relates to their own different cultures. When you visit a village in Munda, you are most welcome to join them, either for food or either for dancing, enchantment, bamboo singing, their dancing, their welcome ceremony. These are all part of the traditional offerings that they offer guests when they actually come in.
Okay.
Yeah.
And when people go to the hotel, what's the atmosphere like at the hotel? And uh, who do you cater to? And what's the hospitality like at the hotel?
The resort caters for everyone, including family and children, and the oldest, including disabled. We've got rooms that can cater for disabled people. We have it's a small neat family. We have 35 rooms, and you come in as a guest, but when you leave as a family, and that is one of the concept of the late Agnes Gateway.
Mm.
Yeah,
Okay, so you're carrying on her
legacy.
legacy and
Yes.
traditions. Oh, that's great.
And then we still have third generation children, grandchildren who are still part and parcel of the Agnes Gateway.
Okay. So I guess what's one important piece of advice that you give a traveler that's coming to Munda for the very first time that has not been there before?
Okay. The only advice that I can give is because we are known for malaria, always be mindful, always have your malaria tablets with you when you come over to Munda. But otherwise, Munda is safe. It is very safe. You come in as, like I said, you come in as a stranger, but you live as a family.
Mm-hmm.
You're well looked after when you are in Munda. Everyone is so friendly. Everyone will invite you to their homes, even though it's two different separate continents, but we still have that respect for whoever comes and visit us in Munda.
Great. Is there a specific hidden island or dive site or location that guests don't always know about but should discover while they're in Munda?
Yeah, one of them is towards the Roviana, the Rembal Island. There are a few dive sites that a lot of American war relics that fell into that category of island. Sometimes, very seldom, the dive always go there, but it is one of the sites that they can visit. And the other one is Munda itself was a station for the Japanese.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for sharing with us a bit of information about the Agnes Gateway Hotel and the things to do in Munda on the Solomon Islands.
You're most welcome. And yes, we definitely invite you to come to Munda, visit us. You come in as a guest, but you leave as a family.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks for tuning in. Discover your next unforgettable journey at farandawadventures.com. Experience the world differently.